Hello guys, today I'm going to make a nice simple 2x2 tutorial. I have had a few requests for it, so thought it's about time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. For the first step of solving the 2x2, you're going to want to solve the white side. I just say the white side for beginners to make it easier. So I'm going to try and first get a pair of 2 on the top side. So we're going to call this my U face. I'm gonna find a piece that matches with that, so this one does. So now I have a pair of 2. It happened to have another pair of 2. Now I only have one more, but let's say it didn't. So next we're going to want to look for a piece to put up there and match with its edges like that. So like this, for example. So now we have 3 and they're all matching on their edges and on the U face. So then we'll put in our final one and make 4. So that's already solved the white side. That's a little bit faster than the 3x3. Now that we have solved the white side, we're going to want to put it on the D face. So now we're going to want to solve the yellow side. No, you're not done after this step unless you get a skip. So there's this one simple algorithm that I use. I'll show it now. So it means that this piece stays the same. This piece rotates around like this once, so that yellow becomes on the top. So this piece does the same thing, so the blue would come on the top. Then this piece does the same thing, so the red would come on the top. So if I were to do this algorithm here, we'd have yellow, blue, and red on the top, which means we would still have 2 yellows. We want to either have 1 or all, because 1 makes it easier, because then you have 1, and then you know that your 3 will be flipped with this algorithm. So the algorithm is going to be U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, and then F. So now we have 1 left. So you could also get a case after you get 1 where you have these like this. Don't fret, you can just do our algorithm twice. And now you've solved the yellow side. Now you have reached the final step. There are only 3 cases you can have. There's one where the cube is solved. That's not the case I have right now. There's one where the cube has only 2 corners misaligned, so they're not matching with anything else. And then these ones do match. Very nice. So then there's just one algorithm you have to do for that. And then the final case where all of these are screwed up, which means you have to do that algorithm twice. So first, let me show you the algorithm now. That it just switches these 2 corners. So that green's there, that green goes there, the orange there, red there. So to do that algorithm, you have R prime F, R prime 2B, R, F prime, R prime 2B, 2R, and then whatever you have to do to fix this. It's not always just your simple move, but usually it's just like that. So that's the algorithm. So you have solved the cube now. There's one other case that I wanted to show you that I had explained earlier. So let me do that now. Case where you have none of these corners matching with each other, which means that we just have to do the algorithm twice. So there's the first one. And now 2 are matching. Now let me do it one more time. There you go. So now you definitely solved the 2x2 unless you've done something wrong. Shame on you. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Goodbye.